Hello! This is a quick and easy recipe to surprise Mum this Sunday for Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day! We're going to make sandwiches with ham, cheese, tomato and cucumber with some soft butter for the bread. Let's make some sandwiches. First, let's put some soft butter on the bread. We're going to make 4 sandwiches, 1 of each. On first sandwich, I'm going to put some ham. And put the other bread on top. On the second sandwich, I think cucumber would be nice. I love cucumber. Put that on the top. Number 3, let's use some cheese. And put that on the top. And finally, tomatoes. You can use whatever you like. And put that on the top. Now what are we going to do? I think we should cut them to make them look pretty. Maybe you need Mum or Dad to help you with this. And we're going to put them on a tray. Can you see? Very pretty colours. Finally, let's put our sandwiches on the tray to serve them up to Mum on her special day. To make scones, we need to use flour, baking powder, butter, sugar, milk, and 1 egg. If you want, you can put in some chocolate or my favourite, raisins. First, take the flour and the baking powder and put it in the bowl like this. It's like snow. Then we have butter. We need to make it look like sand. So we mix, 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 just with our fingers. Mix, 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 mix. So look, it looks just like sand on the beach. Now, when it looks like sand, we can add a little bit of sugar and mix it in with our hands. we have an egg and we put it in the milk. Then take a fork and beat it so it goes together. Mix the egg and the milk. And then we pour the egg and milk into the flour, like this. And mix it around. Then we have some raisins. Put them in. Now, have a look, boys and girls. It becomes dough. Can you see? It's come together as dough. And it's sticky. Now, boys and girls, we'll get some butter, put it on our pan so our scones don't stick, like this. And we could put a little bit of flour on too. Shake, 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 shake. And now the scones won't stick when they're in the oven. More flour, we'll put it on the table. And we put this on the table. And then we tap it round, and you can see what I'm doing here. I have the dough all as one piece. About like this. And now we have a pan ready with flour, and we have our dough. Let's put the dough on the table. Let's put lots of flour so it doesn't stick. And we put our dough on the table. Now we can go pat, pat, pat. About like one little finger. You can use a cutter. If you don't have a cutter, you can use a glass. Let's put lots of flour on the glass. And we have 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. And then we can put it together. Do it again. Seven. I think 8 would be perfect. And 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. They look great. Now, with a little bit more milk, I'm going to put milk on the top of each one of the scones. This will make it look pretty. And we're ready to put them in the oven. Come on, let's go. Now we're going to put our scones in the oven. See you in 10 minutes. Now, wow, look at our scones. They're ready. Let's take them out of the oven. They look perfect. Here we are. What a lovely Mother's Day treat.